Well, good morning, everyone. So we're still here in Durango, and if you watched my last video, you notice I'm still standing in the same spot because I'm just shooting the intro for the next video from where I shot the outro of the last one. So anyway, so today we're heading over to the Indian Motorworks where they restore Indian motorcycles from 1901 to 1953, I believe, is when the original Indian Motor Company went out of business. But so I'll bring you some pictures of those and the ride to and from there. We're just going to kind of take it easy today, do a couple short rides, and then just kind of kick back and relax. So not sure how long this video is going to be, but we'll be heading over there to Indian Motorworks here in just a minute, and then we'll give you pictures of that place. So, and I've heard that the guy is going to sell out or just close down. He's going to retire. So I'm not sure how much longer those bikes are going to be in that shop, and the shop's not open to the public anyway. It's just open today only for 4 hours for the people that came to the Durango rendezvous to go check out. So you know, this is going to be kind of a special treat because this shop is generally not open to the public. So we'll get you some pictures of those bikes and then and some rides. So we'll talk to you at the end. Bye.
Every year they changed it, you know. Yeah. That's interesting.
Excuse me.
I've gotten bike from before and I helped them with all today.
With him gone, it definitely slowed things down. Yeah.
Well, everyone, we're closing out our day inside the tent. It's been raining here for about the last 3 hours. Not sure how good the video's coming in because it's starting to get pretty dark. We got back from the restoration, Indian restoration place there, and went to some of our friends' cabin and had lunch, and then made our way back here. Kind of got things set up, and then it started raining. So, gonna kind of close the day out here. Hope you guys enjoyed the tour of the Indian Restoration Garage there. And tomorrow we're heading off back home. So we'll be running back up the $1 Million Highway, and then gonna end our day at Flaming Gorge Reservoir. And the weather doesn't look too good, so there might be a lot of rain video. Might not be that much video at all, so because of the rain. So we'll talk to you tomorrow sometime. You guys take care. Bye.